Hi guys, welcome. Today's video, you guessed it, is about NIO. We'll start off with discussing NIO's technicals, also discuss market sentiment at the moment, then we'll move on to the delivery numbers for this month, and then we'll discuss about the not so public update that was published in one of the Chinese media outlets a couple of days ago. So please hang around and let's get to it.
When you're doing good, they cannot stand you. Everything we do, you know, is brand new.
NIO is crushing all of its previously set records and investors are loving the upward momentum. If we have a look at NIO chart, it is keeping up with its upward momentum, but in the last week it seems to be running up parabolic, which signals a pullback in the near future. Now that doesn't have to happen, and my personal opinion, it might even go and touch 40 before there is a pullback. The chart signals a bit of FOMO in the market. If CNBC or any other media outlet starts covering NIO, we might have further push. The market cap currently is 50 billion, which could seem too high to some, considering the company isn't even profitable yet. But in order to find that, we'll have to dig deep into the company fundamentals. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at the market sentiment. The election day went smooth and it seems like market liked it. If we have a smooth outcome, and I don't even think it matters who wins, as long as there is a smooth transition, I think market is primed to run higher again. I have been sitting on the sidelines these past 2 weeks waiting for the election to be over. Once we have the election result, I'll be positioning myself again and looking to enter a few swings and long-term trades, and I'll be sure to update you guys as I go. NIO doubled its October deliveries year over year, and the total deliveries for 2020 so far are just over 31,000, and that's a 101% spike compared to last year, and we still have 2 more months to go. There is no shortage of demand for NIO at the moment. The only factor holding them back is their production capacity. If we look at some of the estimates, compared to 2020 quarter 1, 2021 could blow it out of the water, and the whole year of 2021 could be completely game changer for NIO. With delivery numbers going up and stock rocketing higher, there are obviously some risks associated with it as well. Looking at the current valuation, NIO's current price to sales ratio is at 34.74, whereas Tesla's is sitting at 15.10, which is an indication that NIO is trading at premium. That said, if NIO can continue delivering on their promises, we can see the price going even higher. Now let's see what one of the Chinese media outlets had to say about NIO. NIO has reportedly established a project Marco Polo to accelerate entry into the overseas markets. This means NIO is coming to Europe sooner than you think. First NIO house could be in Copenhagen, Denmark. NIO already has an export business team which has recently deployed many staff members and plan to sell 7,000 ES8 and ES6 models there in 2 years. So according to the report, the Marco Polo project may be headed by Chen Chen, who was formerly in charge of sales at BMW Mini East. So they are recruiting people that are expert in the European market, and I'm telling you guys, they are not hiring all these people to get into Denmark only. They are going to Europe and then US and maybe rest of the world eventually. NIO could be a serious competitor to Tesla in the next 2 years. NIO's initial plan was to use Norway as its first stop in Europe, but Norway's penetration of new energy vehicles already has reached 82%, highest in Europe. And honestly, you don't even need Lieben to decide that if there's 82% penetration, that's not where you start. You go somewhere else and then you try to compete with that market. NIO is running a little bit too high too quickly, so it might need to consolidate a little bit before it makes the next run higher. But with NIO delivering on all promises, increasing delivery numbers and expanding into Europe, I think we'll look back in a year's time and it will look cheap at $35. Guys, that's all for me today. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video. It helps other people find the channel as well, and it's free of cost. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time.
When you're doing good, they cannot stand you.